This is the story about the finest warrior, the fastest, the furious, and the best of its kind. This story is about Level 51. पच्चीस वर्ष अघि, with the sole goal of customized performance for everyone, a team of IT professionals and engineers joined hands together to bring us this experience of the future with Level 51. The future. A professional always needs a professional laptop, and Level 51 is just that. Its sleek design, high durability, and strong build quality makes this a perfect professional laptop. Upgrade your experience with a pre-installed genuine Windows operating system. No matter if it's just an email or heavy multitasking, Level 51 is the most reliable at work. Level 51 is not just a laptop, it's a workstation on its own. Its upgradable models provide you with efficiency and precision that you are longing for. And if your work is to create digital content too, Level 51 will be a part of your creativity, period. Woo! Turn on your gaming mode because Level 51 is a gaming beast. Its high-end chassis, excellent thermals and customizable features will change your gaming experience forever. And I mean forever. Set your gear, stay on the front line, and of course with the blazing FPS, winner winner, chicken dinner. There you have it. With the most powerful and dependable components installed, Level 51 is the choice for all of us.